Here we will write a Python program to create a GUI application in which we will change foreground color of a label using color dialog box. So first in comment line we will write first we will import the tkinter and then we will import color chooser class from the tkinter. So from tkinter import color chooser. Then we will define root window. So root equal to tk.tk. Then we will set the title for this root window as root.title, changing foreground color for label. Then first we will add label. So L1 equal to tk.label for root window and text will be change color. Then we will pack this label as L1.pack with pad x equal to 20. Then we will add one button. So B1 equal to tk.button for root window. Text will be pick color and command will be pick color function. And we will set B1.pack and we will start root.main loop. Then we will add a function pick color. So def pick color. First we will set the color from the color dialog box as color equal to color chooser dot ask color, and we will set this color to the foreground color of a label. So L1.config fg equal to color, that is foreground color. Before executing we will set the geometry for this root window as root.geometry 300 into 300 and we execute it. I will click on this pick color button, then I will select the color and click on OK. It will change the foreground color for this label for the color that we have selected from the color dialog box. If we want to set the background color, I will set here BG and I will execute. I will select the color. It will change background color for this label.